Sell me this. Okay. Do you want or need anything right now? Nope. And that is why you have to convince me. Convince you what? That you need this. I don't need this. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Okay. What's the best way to get inside someone's head? Storytelling. People don't buy products. They buy stories. Instead of just listing off the features, paint a picture. Describe the before and after. Make your customer the hero and your product just the guide that helps them win. That sounds easy. Yeah, it is. That is literally how you get inside somebody's head by telling them a story. Stories persuade. Everyone loves a good story. Master storytelling, master sales. Turn stories into sales. Follow for more business hacks.